Hello everyone, today we're gonna do a prank air horn sound. So, this is a voice changer prank horn sound, so am I gonna, at the old days, 1 month ago, I actually record this, so let's get back to it. Okay.
Yemek sepeti yanında, aklındaysa kapında.
Envy. Wow,
Yemek sepeti yanında, aklındaysa kapında.
Okay, Envy, 7,000, 3,000. Okay, I'm gonna. That's really random. Okay, let's do the air horn. Welcome, my old. Say hello to my little friend. Sounds like a mosquito is trying to fly around. And now the part 2 is
this app will let you use your phone as a projector. Download now for free and enjoy.
See, if I try to read the ads, I don't have the money to do it, so that's what I'm gonna get. The ads, Ryan. Okay, let's do the. That's not what it sounds like.
Bazen koyu, bazen cıvık olur.
Bir sürü farklı çeşidi vardır.
Bunu içmek.
Party horn.
Bazen koyu, bazen cıvık olur.
Bir sürü farklı çeşidi vardır.
Bunu içmek.
Good, because usually that was so many. Hold on. Animal sound. Oh gosh, these animals are my one weakness. Oh no. Mosquitoes are my only one enemy. I try to kill them. When I was in my bed, I would realize that mosquito was flying right on my ear, and imagine someone pranking me. Oh God. Skibbity, boparamomis, yes. Snake. Hockey.
So, what do you want to do?
I don't think that's what chicken
I could go the distance.
Sounds like that.
Oh no!
I can't make that. Man, these animals are my only one weakness. Witness. They're only one weakness. And sorry. Cat. Awesome. Okay, let's go. Maybe at next video I can do that. Maybe I can do like more prank sound. What if I can find those?
%100 enerji. Bu nasıl?
Answered. Okay. Part 6. Part 6. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do like some of them because I don't think I'm gonna able to.
Yemek sepeti yanında, aklındaysa kapında.
See the voice changer. See, this is a prank air horn voice changer. Çorba. Okay. Oh yeah, I can set the timer. Okay. I already know what pistol sounds like from Fortnite. Okay. Ooh, mine is stronger. Okay, that's definitely not sounds like full
İngilizceyi ne
Fortnite.
kadar iyi bildiğinizi
But
kontrol
I take
edelim.
it.
Soruma doğru cevap verirseniz.
Alright. Okay, now we're gonna go. Okay, now let's explore the voice changes for now. Okay, so what should I do? Okay. Yeah. Yes, yeah, I want all of them. Okay, guys. Wait, hold on. Screen record. Okay, guys, so now, let's do the voice changers. So, I'm gonna go with the turtle.
Yemek sepeti
I'm
yanında,
gonna do it turtle,
aklındaysa
guys.
kapında.
Hayır yemem. Okay. Don't you know about the bird? About the bird. Bird, bird, bird. Don't you know about the bird, bird, bird? Okay.
Dominant man, bird, baby. Bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird, bird.
I'm gonna laugh, bro. This is so cool. Cool as I expected. Oh wait, you woman. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay, what would it be? Voice changer skibbity. Yeah, that's what they're gonna get. Skibbity bop with a boy piece, yes. Skibbity bop with a kneel, skibbity bop with a boy piece, yes. Skibbity bop with a kneel, yes.
My name is Roman. I don't know much. I don't have much thing to do, so now we're going to do
Mexican Revolution 1955. I just blow up on my mind. I'm just paranoid. For practice? For cool? Okay. Let's do spring. Spring. No. Okay, Sean, get together. Spring 1. Oh, it's like a bouncer jump. Well, I don't think. Sorry about that. I was just drinking soup. There's only soup. They sound like the same. I don't think there's any difference. Just a speed kilometer. Okay. It better be cool. Skibbity bop, what is this? Skibbity. Okay, it's actually different. Nice. Spring 11. Hey guys, I'm really sorry about the ads. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video because I'm putting a. Okay, so do you know at the video that you guys can see the I'm putting a thumbnail in all those videos, so I thought it would look cool. If you guys look at my videos, then it will all be thumbnail. But sometimes I can't do it because I need to customize it. But sometimes I need to do it as twice a day. That's what it told me. But I don't know. So, woman sneeze, taser laugh. Okay, that's a child sound. So this is the part 1. That child is always doing it. Five Nights at Freddy's, bro. Okay. Okay, so this is the concert sound that people always mistakes. Doorbell. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try like 1 more or 2 more prank machines. And then I'm gonna end this video because I don't want my storage to be full and I'm working harder. So, more professional and success. Okay, I never heard this sound, but doorbell. Okay, that's not the doorbell. What is this getting me? It's like nothing. It's like someone. That sounds like someone. The baby's playing a toy. I don't know. I can't just judge it. Okay. What should I do? Okay. Mini, mommy, mo. Touch your tiger because elimination versus impulses. Okay, prank call. Let's do the prank call. And I want you guys to please subscribe my video, please. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. So, oh yeah, and I'm also, oh, hold on. Yeah.
This is Bank of America. You have received a transfer of $23,000. Please check your account balance to confirm. This is Bank of America. You have received.
That's a prank call, bro. Okay.
Hello, the diamond necklace you bought on Amazon has arrived, and the package has been put in the door.
Okay, that's definitely a prank call because if someone opens the door, there's no package. So this means that they're pranking it. And that is the one who's out. Skibbity, bopper boy, yes, skibbity, scary, okay. Yeah, Ghost. Ghost, what happens to you, son? Ghost, what is wrong with you? Someone's in the kitchen. Seven in the kitchen. Oh, okay, that's scary. Let's do 8. Alright, everyone. Now. And when I do this little muscles come out. And I'm not ready to click his nose. Guys, what should I do now? Oh, no, I'm not doing that, woman. Okay, today, okay, now I'm gonna do the voice changer and I'm gonna do like 2 more. Okay, guys, sorry about that, guys. My sister has some piano. She's just playing piano, and I like it, but I don't like how it's loud, so I'm sorry about that. So, okay, let's do taser. I'm gonna make this sound really high, so it doesn't. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna make the funny. What should I do? Okay. Bird, the bird. Alright, okay, one more one. This time, police. Police. Police the way. Okay, so now we're gonna okay. What should I do with police 10? Bro, that sounds like a firefighter. Okay. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video today, and we're gonna yes, finally, after all these years. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video today, and I hope you guys will enjoy. So I see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe my video, and I see you guys later. Bye.